This is Luke Weston with Chief at Integrated Systems Europe 2020, introducing our Impact Series floor-mounted kiosk. This is a 55-inch version, clean look on the outside, no exposed fasteners. And one of the things we learned is serviceability is really important with these kiosk installations. So we have this display on hinges, and you can open it up for full access. Plenty of storage options and accessory options inside. You have a 2RU knockout for fans in the top, compatible with Middle Atlantic fans. You have smaller knockouts for fans. In the bottom here, you have a 2RU knockout for a UPS device, also power knockouts. And if we get into this cover, you'll see there's plenty of room for removable AV storage. So a lot of options. For more information, stop by booth C50 in Hall 2 or visit the Impact Series on legrandAV.com. Thanks.